Yeah. Look at the big waves down there.
How can we just go down that big waterfall thing?
Now let's have a look. Shall we get the nets?
Is it deep there?
No, it's not bad.
Mom, is it deep on that side? So we can eat the fish.
We're gonna catch some fish so we can eat it.
Yeah.
Ah, that's gonna be yummy. What are we gonna catch the fish with?
Yeah. City. The waves coming. Mom, picking it down. Why is the wave not coming?
It's coming. Here, fishy.
Fishy, there's some food in here for you. Fishy, come on now.
Here it comes. Here it comes. It's coming.
Mom, put your net down like this so the fish can come.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Mom, put it right there. So I don't need to. I need to put it right here, okay?
Yep.
Ready, the waves are coming. Woo, woo, woo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's gonna cook him? You. Where are you gonna cook him? On the barbecue?
Yeah, sometimes I do all day.
Yeah.
But Mom, I just can hear someone doing this.
Go be gentle. Be gentle, be gentle. Ooh, that's cool.
I caught a fish.
You did.